We have heard it countless times that children are not adults. Children are unique individuals with their own specialized needs. Never is this more apparent when a child needs healthcare, whether it is highly specialized surgical procedure, a simple treatment for an early childhood infection and immunization, or a preventive care such as nutritional counseling. Children are different and they need different healthcare that focuses on their unique needs. That is why the Lagos State government is building a new Massey Children Hospital to cater for the healthcare of children. On the 28th of April 2021, the Lagos State governor flags off the construction of the Massey Children Hospital, which is a 7-story building hospital, and it is located at Adeniji Adele area of Lagos State. The hospital will replace the existing Massey Hospital, which has been an institution over a century, but is currently struggling to meet the rising demand of pediatric care. Children hospitals are driven initiatives that address the need of children and advocating policies that support pediatric and workforce that cares for them. Children hospitals and healthcare systems plays an essential role in the health and well-being of children by providing specialized care, crucial research, essential education, and vital community research for children and their parents. Whether it's within the organization or outside the hospital walls, children hospitals and healthcare systems are driving initiatives that addresses the unique needs of children and advocating for policies that support parents, families, and pediatric workforce that cares for them. Let's take a look at the work achieved so far on the new Massey Children Hospital. This new facility will feature an independent power plant and a multi-level parking structure. This will definitely be a state-of-art facility which will help to address healthcare needs for Lagosians and its residents and also enhance healthcare capacity in Lagos State. This construction is not just a mere construction but a legacy project which will stand the test of time and also will be the biggest pediatric hospital in sub-Saharan Africa on a single location. This will also help to provide world-class facility for the most vulnerable member of the society. The project will also help to address critical needs for specialized pediatric care in Lagos and beyond. The new Massey Children's Hospital is a 130-bed facility with a multi-level car park which will accommodate over 300 vehicles. The hospital will offer comprehensive pediatric care ranging from primary health care to specialized treatment. Upon completion of the Massey Children's Hospital, this will help to boost the medical sector and facilitate design specifically to cater for the unique need of young patients. The new Massey Children's Hospital aims to be a pediatric center of excellence, offering specialized care of various disciplines and pediatric medicine. Upon completion of this facility, this will be more than just an healthcare facility. The hospital will represent a beacon of hope for children and families facing medical challenges, offering not just an advanced medical treatment, but also support, compassion, and comfort. The project is set to be completed before the end of 2025, which will help to cater for the health of children, create jobs, and also represent a symbol of hope.